There are ways to be attractive to a guy and make him fall in love with you. You may want to attract your favorite boy with the methods that friends and people around you tell you, but hold your hand. It is better to do this with scientific and proven methods of psychology. Love yourself. Always remember, before you want someone to love you, you have to love yourself first. People understand how you feel about yourself and treat you accordingly. Remember this, the first and most powerful step to attractiveness is self-friendship. You can't attract any attractive person until you don't love yourself enough. Be yourself. Trying to act like someone else makes you unattractive. If you want to attract a guy, try to be yourself. When you are yourself, someone who is attracted to you wants you for yourself. Make eye contact. Eye contact is a scientific way to make guys fall in love. Science has proven that the eyes are the window to the soul. You can make romantic connections in the brain by making eye contact, not staring. Don't always be available. If you want to be attractive to a guy, you shouldn't always be the one to make the call, let him do it most of the time. Be positive and energetic. A happy girl with positive energy is much more attractive than someone who is constantly complaining. When you create good memories with your partner, you can create a sense of belonging in him. Negative behaviors such as nagging or threatening can lead to the termination of the relationship if carried out for a long period of time. Arrange your appearance. Grooming is very important that you should always pay attention to in social relationships. Groomed appearance is the first thing the audience sees, and even if verbal communication is not established, it creates a positive impression on the audience. Be independent and purposeful. Having independence is a key point to being attractive, whether as financial independence or intellectual independence. First of all, you must have an independent identity for yourself. Think independently and act independently. Do not forget the feminine subtleties. Remember to play the female role in the relationship and let the other person play the male role. Men are naturally inclined towards women who observe feminine subtleties in their behavior. Be mysterious. Although honesty is important, every conversation should be said at the right time. If you want a lasting relationship, you should bring up issues that are relevant to the other person, not your own.
Be supportive. In times of difficult situations, support and encourage him and understand him. In this situation, you show him that he needs someone like you. As a result, this person will fall in love with you. Remember that no method is 100%, and you should use one of these methods or several examples of them depending on the situation you are in.